Riding a motorcycle is a truly unique experience. It's about freedom, adventure, and feeling the wind in your hair. Learning to ride safely and confidently opens up a world of possibilities, whether you dream of cruising scenic highways or navigating city streets. Mastering motorcycle skills is a journey worth taking. Remember, responsible riding starts with proper training and respect for the machine. Take your time, learn from experienced riders, and always prioritize safety gear. Let's hit the road and explore the exciting world of motorcycles. For new riders, starting with a smaller motorcycle is crucial. These bikes are not only easier to handle but also less intimidating, allowing beginners to build their confidence gradually. Smaller bikes are lighter and more manageable, making them ideal for learning basic skills. They offer a forgiving platform for new riders to make mistakes and learn from them without severe consequences. They allow you to focus on fundamentals like clutch control, braking, and balance without the intimidation of a larger, heavier machine. Mastering these basics is essential before moving on to more powerful motorcycles. A common mistake beginners make is jumping on a bike that's too powerful too soon. This can lead to a lack of control and increased risk of accidents, which can be discouraging and dangerous. This can be overwhelming and even dangerous. It's important to respect the learning curve and not rush the process. Safety should always be the top priority. Remember, it's not about the size of the bike, but the skills you develop while riding it. A smaller bike allows you to hone your abilities and become a more proficient rider. Take your time, build your confidence, enjoy the learning process. The journey of becoming a skilled motorcyclist is a rewarding one, filled with growth and excitement. As your skills and confidence grow, you might find yourself yearning for more power and performance. This is a natural progression in a rider's journey. Moving up to larger motorcycles opens up new possibilities, whether it's tackling challenging roads or embarking on long-distance tours. However, it's essential to make this transition gradually. Take the time to familiarize yourself with the increased power and weight of a larger bike. Consider taking an advanced riding course to refine your skills and learn how to handle different riding scenarios. Remember, safety should always be your top priority. The American motorcycle landscape in 2025, the motorcycle scene in the USA in 2025 is more diverse than ever. Riders from all walks of life are embracing the freedom and thrill that motorcycles offer. The streets are filled with a vibrant mix of bikes, each reflecting the unique personality and preferences of its rider. From sleek sport bikes to rugged off-road machines, there's a motorcycle for every taste and riding style. Sport bikes, with their aerodynamic designs and powerful engines, are perfect for those who crave speed and precision. Off-road motorcycles, on the other hand, are built to conquer rough terrains and provide an exhilarating off-road experience. Cruisers, known for their classic styling and relaxed riding position, are perfect for leisurely rides. These bikes are often seen on scenic routes, where riders can enjoy the open road and beautiful landscapes at a more relaxed pace. Sport bikes, on the other hand, prioritize speed and agility, appealing to adrenaline junkies. These bikes are often found on racetracks, where riders push their limits and experience the thrill of high-speed riding. Touring bikes are designed for long-distance comfort, making them the ideal choice for those who love to travel. Equipped with features like large fuel tanks, comfortable seating, and ample storage, these bikes are perfect for cross-country adventures. While adventure bikes can handle both paved roads and off-road trails. These versatile machines are built for exploration, allowing riders to venture off the beaten path and discover new places. Dual sport motorcycles offer a versatile option for riders who want the best of both worlds. These bikes are equally at home on city streets and rugged trails, making them a popular choice for those who enjoy a variety of riding experiences. With so many choices, it's an exciting time to be a motorcycle enthusiast in America. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a newcomer, the diverse range of motorcycles available ensures that there's something for everyone. The sense of community and camaraderie among riders is stronger than ever, making the American motorcycle landscape in 2025 truly remarkable. Finding your perfect ride. Choosing the right motorcycle is a personal decision. It's not just about picking a machine, it's about finding a companion for your journeys. It's about finding a bike that matches your riding style, experience level, and intended use. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a beginner, the right bike can make all the difference. If you're primarily commuting in the city, a nimble and fuel-efficient motorcycle might be ideal. These bikes are designed to weave through traffic and offer great mileage. For long-distance touring, comfort and storage space become paramount. A touring motorcycle with ample luggage capacity can make your trips more enjoyable and less stressful. If you're drawn to the thrill of speed, a sport bike might be calling your name. These bikes are built for performance, offering unmatched acceleration and handling, and for those who love to explore unpaved paths, an adventure or dual-sport motorcycle is the way to go. These bikes are versatile, capable of handling both on-road and off-road conditions. Take your time, research different models, and don't hesitate to ask experienced riders for their insights. Reading reviews and joining motorcycle forums can also provide valuable information. The perfect motorcycle is out there waiting for you. With patience and research, you'll find the ride that fits your needs and brings joy to every journey.